Hey guys, so sorry about that. Today we're going to the park. Madeline is not here, if you were wondering. She is doing homework or something. I think she might come later, hopefully. But I got a little car and a thingamajig, so we're gonna do some things on that. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that. See you there. We're just gonna do this really quickly. Hey guys, yeah. So we're gonna get him down the slide. Okay, let me just climb up this slide. Oh, crumpet. Okay, wait 1 second. Here. Okay. Wait, doing this. I don't think y'all can see it, but it's fine. Okay. Oh my gosh. Did y'all see that? Oh. Okay, I think he's good. Guys, I need a name for him, okay? Okay, so yeah. Hey guys, I am on a moped. Hey. Oh my gosh. How do you start the...
It's not even on.
How do you turn it on?
Right here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, do not go in the water. It could ruin its circuit.
This is scary, guys, and it's like fast.
It is fast when you're not on it.
And it's so cold. Ah!
It's actually kind of fast right now. Oh, it's not coming.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm like freezing.
God, you're scared.
So like I'm going the fastest I can, okay? Here, guys, oh my gosh, we're having like, we're getting frost.
Blisters, I bet.
And my
Are you
face is...
vlogging right now?
Yeah, I am.
Basically vlogging us freaking getting blisters.
Dying?
Yeah, we're dying. No skin. Get in the driveway.
Okay, sorry. I was turning too much. I think we're going to Torchy's Tacos, so hopefully I'll vlog that with my cousin.
I'm not gonna be there.
Maybe, you never know.
I could, but I probably won't
Why?
be there. I don't know what's there.
It's tacos!
I'm ready
Oh,
to-
crumpets.
Let's see if you know how to park it. You know me for a long time with this. You should know how.
This is scary, guys, because my pod is right there.
I basically caught this.
Oh, my foot is stuck in a bush! Help! Can they even see that? No. Guys, I'm taking them off. Here. Look.
So they can.
Because look, I'm stuck in a bush.
I right now.